Hey, it's never mind. Yeah. Lean backwards so then the camera can see you, but like that. Hey, what's up?
Oh my god, I feel like it's actually gonna look.
Yeah, we're moving more if you lean backwards.
Let's make another. Hi, Kendall.
I can do that.
Sadie. She is the. Okay. Yay, $2.
A 2 millionaire.
I'm scared too.
No. Excuse me.
No.
Yes. The helmet is actually supposed to be your socks.
This is so awesome! It's like a Grand Canyon or something.
Yeah.
I love you, that's a love song.
It missed me, but it doesn't bother me.
Hi. Hi.
Charlie's.
Hey, it's never mind. Show the crowd, eh?
Why are you squishing it?
Yeah.